Remember, she's stubborn like you, pretty. She just need more time.
I know, juggler. A pretty you go?
Awa, nobody no call us up.
Nobody no know me about by them name they up here, so brother.
Well, it's a good thing, because the name is still hot.
That's why you don't call me in a public.
Yeah. But up on your veranda with it?
Just to make sure so you know.
So pretty. A politician you they really show him true colours now.
They not show it over the years, you know. Just hold it in because of Tiffany.
But when you get involved with a politician, brother, then, I tell us you can't fall for the mark.
Juggler, you know the thing did go. Now ask me that, man.
And if you just cut and go through, no falling in love thing. You see me?
Honestly, I fall in love with him. Remember when the whole prison thing did go down? And Marcus still have to link up with some of my youth them and get me out, brother.
So you get tech already, and me have to deal with it.
Yeah.
Though me always be a big brother to you.
No doubt.
Pretty. The teacher the hustle. We did a liver fight. You see, you never need him. What's him a politician? Can't trust them, man.
Jay? I don't know if I did tell you this, you know, but Father, they promised me saying would have locked me up if I never go with Marcus.
No, you never tell me that.
You see, after we did can the last white boy there, and him did turn round, hold on for me, and you did accidentally kill him. Father tell me say, yo, if me not cut from down there and left with Marcus, him would have find me and lock me up.
It's true, it's in fact, you know. They never know say me brush the youth, you know.
They never have no evidence. Remember my father a long time police, you know. He know forget wrong. Plus, he knows me a your car.
Pretty. You know Mr. Likely?
Honestly, yeah. Brother, it used to excite me when me actually a plan out to condemn. And it did even more excited when it actually happened.
Pretty. You did good, Panny, you know.
Brother, I'm if it tell you.
I know you're living a bondage with this brother. Yeah.
I don't have to change my life, Jay. Maybe I would have dead already.
Are stinking rich. What you plan for do with your life now?
Want to talk to my daughter. I'm not comfortable.
So what you gotta do now? If you don't hear from Tiffany, you gotta sit down in a depression and drown yourself.
What you mean when I go to juggler? What you want me to do?
You don't get it done. I tell me there to help you, you know. Remember, you helped me with a fleet of car to start the car rental business, you know. And it's a good thing you tell him about that night. And you see that take away all of that too.
Facts.
Pretty. When he was a youth, we used to trick them and rob them physically. Now, I lead sheet and bang a phone and do it now.
Juggler, where really I say?
Now what me I say, yeah, ask. You know want to make some money? Or float yourself from the politician boy.